Hi guys! Today I want to talk about how you can use Netflix for learning a new language. I know many of you guys don't have so much time for learning a new language. You guys are studying, working, and me too. I also don't have so much time. And mostly at night time I'm really tired of the day and I just want to chill, so I'm watching Netflix. So why not combining both and study and learning a new language? Stay tuned and stay until the end, because at the end I will show you guys an application that I'm using for subtitles that already show me translation for certain words when I just click on them. Yes, so let's get started. So if you already have a show or a TV series that you really enjoyed in your native language, why not watching it in your target language, for example in Spanish? So for example, you really binge watched Friends, TV show, and why not watching it then in Spanish? So you already know the show, you will know what's happening, you're still a beginner, why not watching it then in Spanish just to get another kick? For me it's like second tip, use subtitles if you're for example a beginner or you still don't understand everything. Many people are always afraid of using subtitles, but actually I think I'm still also using subtitles. I think if it feels good for you, then just use it. And also because of this application that I'm using, always can learn new words and it's really cool. And yeah, but one thing that I would recommend you guys is to use subtitles in your target language. So if I'm watching a movie in Spanish, my subtitles will also be in Spanish. But if you're really absolute beginner, it's totally okay if you watch subtitles with your native language. It's totally okay, guys. Don't blame each other. Everything is okay. Do just that what feels best for you. Third, also differentiate between active and passive learning. So at some nights I'm not really want to active learning, I just want to passive watch something. So I'm watching just a Spanish TV series without subtitles. I'm just listening to it, even if I don't understand every word, I don't care. It's just good for your listening skills. And on other days I'm also more active, that I'm using for example this application that I will show you guys later. Yeah, and then always watching like some words that I don't know and also noting them down. We always have different days, how we feel, and that's totally fine. So sometimes you're active, sometimes you're more passive, but you did something and that's totally okay. So you will progress in your language learning. Fourth, choose only content that really interests you. If your friend told you have to watch this series in Spanish because it's so cool, but you don't like, I don't know, a romantic drama, then don't watch it because you don't care about this topic. Just watch things that you really like, TV series that you like, shows that you like, topics that you like. And then also, because then they also will use vocabulary that is interesting for you, that you really want to use later on, because these are the topics that you want to talk about. And fifth tip that I think is really cool, watch kids movies, for example Disney. Yesterday, for example, I watched Coco. It's this Disney movie it's like playing in Mexico, and it's really cool because they don't really use really hard words. It's more like for kids language, and if you're a beginner then you can use it and it's easier for you to understand everything. And also it's really pretty cute and nice, and I really love kids movies like the Hotel Transylvania. These movies, I'm really a big fan of them and I really enjoy watching them in other languages. The sixth tip that I have for you guys is that you can filter on Netflix the language. So for example, I'm German native speaker, my language is in German, but there's an adaptation that you can do, that you give on that you're a Spanish native speaker, and then they only will show you shows and movies only in Spanish. That's pretty dope, isn't it? And now the last tip that I already told you in the beginning is this cool application for subtitles. It's called Reverso. I don't know if I spelled it correctly, Reverso. And yeah, I think I will show you guys now how it works. So you download it, and then you go just normally on Netflix through your computer. So you click on a movie. For example, I like the series Elite. I already watched it, all 3 episodes, and then you just click on this episode, and then here downwards you see that there is a subtitle extra, and when you go over the words, it will show you the translation. For example, here it will show me the German translation. Yeah, and also when you click on it, then often in some words they also show you different variations or 2 words together, what it is the meaning of. So it's actually really cool. And often also have, besides having Netflix open and this application, also often on the right side have Anki open, the flashcard learning app. And if I don't know a word and I'm active learning right now, then I just put words that I don't know into the Anki app automatically. So I already can revise later on all the new vocabs that I learned through this show. So guys, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope the tips were useful for you guys. And if you have some other tips that you're using, please write it in the comments, because it's really useful. Yes, and please tell me what you thought about it. So see you next time, and please also watch some other videos of mine. For example, I created a video about my Spanish study routine that I think it's really awesome to get some inspiration for studying. See you next time!